In May 2023, a friend introduced me to Wellcure when I was grappling with high blood pressure, cholesterol, breathlessness, and obesity. Initially skeptical about the idea of naturopathy replacing the medication which I had been on for last 7 to 8 years, I still decided to enroll for the BP and cholesterol control program suggested by a friend. My initial apprehension stemmed from the belief that blood pressure medicine once started is a lifetime commitment. But despite all my doubts, I decided to enroll for the program following the health guidelines while having a job which involved extensive traveling. However, very soon I realized that if you are determined, it is not that difficult to regulate your diet even on the go. One of the biggest challenges that I was facing was breaking the habit of late night second dinners, usually with heavy parathas and rotis at around 11 p.m. Despite struggling for over a year to quit this habit, the expert guidance from both Dr. Prashanthi and Asha ji helped me in a seamless transition. Not only did I learn about the healthy eating habits, but I also understood the importance of portion controls and meal timings. While regulating my diet helped me, abandon the habit of late night dinners naturally. At the same time, my dinners also became lighter. Although initially I was very skeptical about leaving the BP medicine, but witnessing my BP stabilizing within the range of 110 to 125 by 70 to 85, I took that courage to take that plunge. I left both my BP and cholesterol medicine just before completing the course. I decided to join the alumni program where I received continuous guidance from Asha ji. It's been over a month now that I am leading a medicine-free life, at least for BP and cholesterol. Uh, During this journey, I also realized that body has its own healing powers, and unnecessary medicines hinder that natural healing process. So nowadays, I try to allow the body to heal on its own and not interfere with its natural process. And I try not to take medicines, at least for small issues like cough, cold, fever, stomach upset, etc. I also witnessed improved sleep and reduced fatigue. Gratitude to the entire Wellcure team for their unwavering support. Thank you.